Someone who has test anxiety, these are my biggest tips to help me combat that when I'm taking multiple exams per week. Tip number 1, and I cannot stress this enough, do not change your answers at the end of exam. Unless you're rereading the question and you realize that you misread the question, do not change your answer. It always messes you up. I have done this so many times. I still need to take this advice, but I think almost 99% of the time, if I've changed my answer, the first one is usually correct. My second tip is do not stay up all night the night before your exam to study. Whatever you know by 10 p.m. the night before your exam is what you know. The only thing you're doing by staying up the night before your exam is stressing yourself out. You're gonna go into your exam exhausted. I try to go into every exam excited to show what I already know. I wanna show my professor that I studied and I know this information. If there's something that I get wrong, you learn and you move on. One grade is not gonna determine your whole nursing school career, I promise. A lot of people ask me for tips on select all that apply questions. Something that's helped me is think of the answer choices as a true or false statement. It usually helps me narrow down what's true and what's not. For regular multiple choice questions, I usually will read the question and try to answer it in my head. Then I'll look at the multiple choice and see if that answer is there. If that doesn't work, then I'll use process of elimination and block out the answer choices that just make no sense. My last tip, because as someone who struggles with test anxiety, any little noise will distract me. I ask my teachers if I can wear earplugs, and if they say yes, then I'll have my earplugs in. Another thing that sends me is when I'm taking an exam and people start getting up to leave. I start freaking out. Why are people finished before me? And I start stressing about the time. That's when I spiral. My heart starts racing and I just need a minute to calm down. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone moves at their own pace. You're all gonna finish the exam, and you and the person who finished in 15 minutes can both get 90s. I could take the whole hour to take my exam and the person next to me could take 20 minutes. It doesn't matter. Focus on your own thing. Don't worry about nobody else and you're gonna do great.